welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to transfer your WhatsApp messages from your old Android to your new Android. Let's get started. Method 1. Transfer with Google Drive. This is the official method. First, grab your old Android and open WhatsApp. Tap the three dots in the top right, go to Settings, then Chats, and hit Chat Backup. Here, set the backup frequency. I recommend choosing only when I tap Backup. Make sure your Google account is selected, then tap Backup. This step is important because this backup is what you'll restore on your new phone later. Now switch to your new Android. Install and open WhatsApp, enter the same phone number and log in. Once you're in, WhatsApp will automatically detect your Google Drive backup and prompt you to restore your chat history. Just tap Restore. Wait for it to finish. Then fill in your profile info, enter the chat list, and you'll see all your messages right there. But if your Google Drive storage is full, and this method doesn't work for you, don't worry, I've got an easier way coming up next. Method 2. Transfer using iCarefone Transfer. This is a third-party WhatsApp transfer tool that's much more efficient. It not only supports transfers between Android devices, but also works between iPhone and Android. If you want to try it out, just hit the link in the description to download it. First, connect both your old Android and your new Android to your computer using a data cable. Then open iCarefone Phone Transfer and choose the WhatsApp option. Make sure the source and target devices are set correctly. Then click Transfer. Next, the software may ask you to back up WhatsApp on your old phone. Just follow the on-screen steps to finish that. Once the backup is done, the program will start extracting your WhatsApp data. This might take a few minutes, depending on how much data you have. After that, choose what you want to transfer, click Continue, and the transfer will begin. Give it a moment, and once it's done, check your new Android. All your WhatsApp data should be right there. As you can see, the whole process is basically one click. Super beginner-friendly, no data loss, and you can even back up your WhatsApp data to your computer locally. Fast, safe, and really easy to use. That's everything for today. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.